Hi friends, welcome to Tia Red California. Did you know high protein meals can either make or break your weight loss goals depending on your gut health? So today I am preparing 5 gut friendly high protein meals, all for under $30. Here is exactly what I bought. Super simple, budget friendly ingredients that make this entire meal prep possible. These meals are anti-inflammatory, easy to digest, and perfect for weight loss. Let's start with my favorite gut-friendly bowl. Cook 1 cup of quinoa with 2 cups of water. While it cooks, chop the veggies. In today's recipe, I am using grated carrots and chopped cucumbers. Now beat the yogurt with cumin powder and salt. Now it's time to make a gut-soothing tadka. Heat the ghee and add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and curry leaves. Then goes asafoetida or hing and grated ginger. This boosts digestion and gives anti-inflammatory benefits without heavy calories. Now add quinoa, high in protein, vegetables high in fiber, yogurt for probiotic, and the anti-inflammatory tadka. Creamy, cooling, perfect for weight loss and gut health. This is your soothing, gut-friendly chicken noodle soup, packed with protein but gentle on digestion. Here comes the secret ingredient, gochujang. Gochujang adds probiotics and a gentle heat that boosts the metabolism. Apple cider vinegar supports a healthy gut and may aid in belly fat loss. Now pressure cook for 8 minutes. While our soup is preparing, let's cook the noodles. I am using brown rice and millet noodles from Costco. Our soup is also ready. Look how delicious it is. Add your noodles, then pour the warm soup. It's like warm hug in a bowl. This is your high-fiber, gut-friendly salad that keeps digestion strong and blood sugar stable. Fiber feeds your good gut bacteria, essential for weight loss. We are going to prepare a simple dressing for this salad with olive oil, pepper, salt, and freshly squeezed lime juice. This salad is so simple and easy, we can make it under 10 minutes. Now assemble everything in a salad bowl and your salad will be ready. For the meal preparation, just don't add the dressing now, you can keep it in a separate jar. First, shallow fry your tofu until crispy. No heavy oil needed. Now in the same pan, shallow fry onions and the rest of the vegetables. Your gut-friendly, fiber-rich, anti-inflammatory meal is ready. Sprinkle some sesame seeds for extra benefits. This morning drink supports digestion, balances blood sugar, and helps reduce inflammation. This drink controls your appetite, balances blood sugar, and activates your metabolism for non-stop fat burning. And here is the final prep. 5 gut-friendly meals, all are under $30. Easy to digest, anti-inflammatory, and boost your weight loss. If you want more budget-friendly, high-protein, healthy meals like this, make sure to subscribe. New video releases every Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay happy, healthy, and positive. And subscribe.